So, when we are in Linux, we need to move a little bit around in the file system. We need to create files. We need to open files, close files, copy files, move files, and rename. Okay, so we start with ls, right? So list the files in the directory. And when you do this, you should have nothing inside. I, however, have a few files here, right? Right. So we can make a directory. Let's say my new directory for the course. Good. So now ls. Hey, where is my folder? I list everything, right? So where is it? So we can go to man list. We see a few options. What we will want to look at is option L. List as a long format. T. Sort by time. R. Yes, R. Yes, R. Yes, R. Reverse the order. And H. H, human readable. Okay, push Q. Now, LSL. Sorry, options with a minus in front. So now we have the long list format. We see some of the read-write options. We see the number, then my name, right? Well, first name is owner. So I own this file. You don't own this file, you don't have access to it. The group, I have my own group here, right? So that's me again. Then the number again. What is this? No idea. Then the date when the file was created. Good. Now ls minus lh. Okay, so now one of these number is now a human readable format, and that is the file size, right? So here we have like 2 megabyte. Here we have 4 kilobyte. Good. So R, this is the reverse order. Instead of from A to Z, we have now from Z to A. Here, for example, you find I have a few UpInit compilations, I have Atlas, I have the AMD compute language, I have Anaconda, and so on. Okay, good. So what else? T. And now I see my list is ordered by type, right? And the last file I created, or the folder, was my new directory for AMD. Also note that I have two different colors. The what is it, gray bluish color here is for directories and white is for files. Now I can change directory, my new, it's a very long file name, isn't it? So just type the name a little bit, push the tab button, the tabulator, and it should autocomplete. Now, if you have more than one file, starting with, for example, M, and you push the tab button, UNIX doesn't know which file you mean. There's so many options, so you push again. So it gives you all the options that are available, right? Starting with an M. So it had one more letter, and then it is a unique choice, and it knows what to do. Good. So I change now into this directory. You see, right? So this directory name is here, followed by the $sign, and after the $sign, I can type. By the way, you always can check what is your username. What is it? Where? Who am I? And what is my IP? I forgot. Where is? So the tab button also works for commands. So if you type W, you see a list with all the commands that are available for you. Let's see, who am I? Who is? Very good. No. Host name, right. So host name, I want to check that is, for example, WS for workstation, right? Host ID, right? And host IP. I'll figure this out later. Good. So now we are making new files. We have a few options. We can, for example, use gedit. First is the command of the program, right? And that is the file we want to create. Push enter. Now gedit comes with a graphical user interface. Takes a while because now it's a remote connection. There we go. And here is, sorry, here is my text. Full stop. Save. Save. Very good. Close. Good. So if you push straight Control L, you get a clean terminal. So I push ls again. I see my text file, ls minus lthr. So it was just created. If you check date, you find the time on the server, not the real time, has its reason. Okay, if you want to check the content of the file, you can either again open as with gedit, but it is slow, so I prefer to cat the context. Here's my text. You can also use Vim. Careful, Vim is a little bit complicated for new users, but it's fast and efficient, so fun to use. So in the text file, seeing with Vim. If you want to close Vim, you push the colon. Please look over here, this colon. Colon, it changes, right? Then you push Q, enter, right? Good. Here's another one. Gvim. Oh, I have not installed Gvim. Sudo apt install Vim. Yes. See? It's like this certificate with all the passwords. Right? So in principle, if you have your own UNIX and you know there's a program like cat or gedit and you don't have it, right? So I try here to use gvim. Oh, command gvim not found, but you can install it with, right? And then you have here some options to install gvim, right? Then you push this command to your console, right? Enter your password correctly, then it will tell you, hey, I'm going to install GVim. However, my installation, something needs to be fixed. So it tells you, hey, do the fix and then try again. So if you at home try to reproduce this and on your Linux installation you didn't have some of the packages, this is what you can do. Now, what else? You want to rename the file. My text file. New text.txt ls, right? And now we have new text. We can make a new directory A and one B ls. Oh, we have two new directories. We copy new file, right? This is your source and your call it target. Source destination would be A, and you either put a dot here, then the file will keep its file name. Now we look into the A directory. New text, very good. We can also move A, new file, to B, ls, lsa, no file anymore, lsb. We can use tree to see the folder and file structure, right? So we have the one file B. Good. We can move B, new file, and give it a new name, text, and with an underscore. Tree again. Shift it, rename. Very careful. We can remove files. Once they're removed, they're gone. Right? There's no paper bin or whatever like in Windows. Removed once, you never see it again. So careful, right? Don't want to accidentally like remove your thesis or thesis work and then everything is gone. Good. Tree. No file anymore. If we want to move a directory, we remove here, or we use remove -rb. Good. So far, right,